Welcome back to the channel. So the RS is going to get a Lowline kit today, the Automotive Passion. I've got side skirts and a front splitter. So first of all I'm going to try and attempt the side skirts, and then I'm going to do the front splitter because it's kind of more difficult because it's in 3 parts and I've got to get it lined up pretty well. So let's roll the intro and let's get into it. Right, so here is the side skirt. Look at this. It's beautifully made. So this has an existing side skirt here, just a very small little piece coming out, and this fits beautifully right over, slots right into that little slot, and there's just a little lip on the end here, and it goes very nicely into that little recess. And it fits lovely and flush. It's beautifully made. So I'm going to get some masking tape, just roughly attach it and see what it's going to look like, and then hopefully work out exactly what I'm going to do to actually attach it. This is what it's hopefully going to look like. Right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two fixings here, 2 screws, and then here I'm also going to put 2 screws. And then I'm also going to run, I think, some nice thin double-sided tape just down here where this sits along the front here, just to give it a little bit more strength. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, double-sided foam tape, I'm going to put on these areas and the area down the end. I'm going to put this on first, and then that will hold it, and then I'm going to use some self-tappers. I bought a set, Amazon, just a selection of different ones depending on length, size, thickness, got some washers as well. So I think I'm going to use, for this, I'm going to use a couple of these, throw a washer in there as well, so some nice stability, nice flat end. I think that's what I'm going to use, 2 of those here and 2 down the end there. Okay, I think I've got my 2 fixings there. I've got my 2 fixings there. So what I've got to do now is get it stuck on and then drill some very thin holes into the bodywork here, and then so it'll be thinner than the screw, so the screw will then go in quite nicely and be quite tight. Okay, so it's stuck on, so now I've got to drill the pilot holes so I can get the screws in to give it proper fixings. This is where this great tool comes in, a right angle drill, so I can come in and under. Pretty solid. It's very solid actually. Okay, let's do the front splitter. So what I've done already, there's one screw in the centre which it goes straight into, and then at the moment there's this screw hole here which goes into nothing, so is that one, and these are loose at the moment, so I'm not sure where we're going with it, but I've screwed that just into place and I've taped it. And now what I need to do now is these rubber protectors here, I need to get these out, and I think they just pull out anyway. I think these just ease out gently. Okay. So we've got one here, got one here, some scuffs under here. So I've got to make one hole here, and I've got to make one hole here. And I reckon this section here, I think there's nothing. I don't think. No, that's not in. That's farther away, so I actually just reckon these two here just bolt. Okay, so I've just temporarily screwed that into those two. It's looking like it fits well. So this one here on the corner, I've got to drill a hole there, got to drill a hole and self-tapper there. This is existing fit, and that's an existing fit. I'm going to have to bolt those two pieces together. Okay, so the centre section is on. I've screwed under there, there, under there. That is now solid, absolutely solid. Now to bond this part and this part together, I've put a very thin piece of 3M tape there. So once I do get that in, I can get that bonded. And I'm going to put some bonding here as well, so that will stick really tight as well. Okay, so I've now put a bolt in this one through here. That was the original self-tapper, and all I now need to do is put this rubber protector back in there. There you go, the OEM rubber under there. Sorted. Okay, so it's finished. I'm now going to put these protectors, I'm going to put them just under, so it protects in case I scuff it. I'm going to put them all the way along where I can, just so it takes the initial scuff. It's come down off curbs and driveways, etc. Finished.
You warned me 1,000 times, memories can kill ya, but I didn't hear ya. I thought that I could fly, but woke up on the asphalt. I swear there was the last time.